Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, which is the oldest game in India? A. Wrestling, B. Cricket, C. Hockey, D. Kabaddi. The correct answer is option A. Wrestling. Next question, Ramayana is a national book of which country? A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Nepal, D. Thailand. The correct answer is option D. Thailand. Next question. In which country does the sun rise at night 12 o'clock? A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Norway, D. Sweden. The correct answer is option C. Norway. Next question. Whose car has no number plate in India? A. President, B. Police, C. Collection, D. Prime Minister. The correct answer is option A. President. Next question. In which country ATM machine is not used? A. Monaco, B. Eritrea, C. Vietnam, D. North Korea. The correct answer is option B. Eritrea. Next question. Pink bananas are found in which Indian state? A. Assam, B. Goa, C. Sikkim, D. Manipur. The correct answer is option A. Assam. Next question. Which animals sleep with one eye open? A. Crocodile, B. Dolphin, C. Penguin, D. Blue whale. The correct answer is option A. Crocodile. Next question. Which Indian state has a dog temple? A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B. Karnataka. Next question. Which gas keeps water cool in fridge? A. Ammonia, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option A. Ammonia. Next question. Which country has no temple? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Australia, C. Canada, D. South Africa. The correct answer is option A. Saudi Arabia. Next question. How many times currency was banned in India? A. 1 times, B. 2 times, C. 3 times, D. 4 times. The correct answer is option C. 3 times. Next question. WhatsApp is a company of which country? A. Japan, B. China, C. Korea, D. America. The correct answer is option D. America. Next question. Which disease is caused by running a mobile phone? A. Brain tumor, B. Heart attack, C. Eye pain, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. How much does smoking one cigarette shorten a person's life? A. 5 minutes, B. 6 minutes, C. 11 minutes, D. 10 minutes. The correct answer is option C. 11 minutes. Next question. Which acid is spread in the house to prevent snakes? A. Sulfuric acid, B. Carbolic acid, C. Nitric acid, D. Tartaric acid. The correct answer is option B. Carbolic acid. Next question. Red color river can be found in which country? A. Venezuela, B. Germany, C. Vietnam, D. Philippines. The correct answer is option C. Vietnam. Next question. Which railway station is situated in two states? A. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, B. Nawapur Railway Station, C. New Delhi Railway Station, D. Howrah Junction Railway Station. The correct answer is option B. Nawapur Railway Station. Next question. Which human organ continues to grow after death? A. Bone, B. Nail, C. Eyes, D. Brain. The correct answer is option B. Nail. Next question. Which disease is cured by eating stale bread? A. Blood sugar, B. Piles, C. Asthma, D. Diabetes. The correct answer is option D. Diabetes. Last question. How many years did it take to build the Great Wall of China? A. 2000 years, B. 500 years, C. 1000 years, D. 1200 years. The correct answer is option A. 2000 years. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.